Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rashada and this is Rashoda's Reality. If you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing, and if you're already subscribing, then welcome back. So today's just going to be a simple vlog of me doing the laundry. So this is Vlogmas day 19, y'all. Today is actually December the 21st and we are 4 days away from Christmas. Can you believe it? So this is just another day of doing laundry, y'all. There is just no way I can get caught up on laundry. It seems like I do laundry every day. If I don't do it every day, I put it off. But I am trying out these new dryer sheets. They were samples in the mail. They're from Clean Coat. I've never used this brand before. And the dryer sheets, they're thick, but they have this different type of texture to them. They're easy to tear. The smell is not really intense. It's sort of on the light scent side. And yes, I got me a little helper helping me on the laundry. I'll never get tired of that. But I'm just going to get into a little folding, y'all. And I hope y'all enjoy this video. I hope y'all having a merry, happy holiday. And enjoy the vlog.
Santa mingle and the jingling feet. That's the jingle bell.
I try to make sure that I have laundry done on Sundays, but that seems to like go out the window at times. Y'all know how it is. Do y'all have like certain days y'all do your laundry on? And how do y'all keep up with the laundry? Do y'all let it pile up or y'all try to like wash and fold as you go so it won't pile up? Like, how do y'all tackle everything? Comment down below.